Let's get this party started, baby. She's alive. I might get into this a little later on, but as you see, man, we take German classes now. No more English. I get into all that shit when I get to driving a little bit. Give y'all boys a smooth POV, man. Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a long time. It's been a year since I posted my last video. You know what I mean? I want to say thank you to everybody that been rocking with me, that been watching my shorts and just been hitting me up, talking about drop a video. Where's the videos? Oh my god. Oh, there you go. But drop a video. We getting to it this year. I did a whole bunch of stuff new to the car. I ain't gonna say a whole bunch of different stuff, but I definitely did some touch-ups here and there since the last time y'all seen this vehicle. I'm not gonna lie to you. On camera. You know what I'm saying? So we gonna get all into it. I just wanna say appreciate everybody, man. Like, comment, subscribe, and keep rocking with your boy. Road to 200 subscribers. Shit, I'm blessed to even have 150. I'm not gonna lie to you. I wouldn't even think I would have had 150 subscribers. You know what I'm saying? You never know until you start dropping something. So let's try it out. I'm about to let this warm up a little bit. I ain't about to just pull off. I ain't drove it all day, so let it warm up a little bit, and I'm gonna get back to it in a second. All right, YouTube. You know what I'm saying? Before I get to the POV, we stuck in traffic. I'll give y'all just a, you know what I'm saying, a little explanation of what's been going on in my life in the past year, or why I really haven't been consistent in dropping on here. So it's like, it's really just my fault. There's no excuses of why no videos been posted. You know, I've been doing stuff. I just haven't picked up a camera to record, you know what I'm saying? And it's just for people that just want to know, you know what I'm saying? Probably ain't for everybody, but while I'm in traffic, I'm gonna just dial into it a little bit until I get some little open lanes so y'all can hear this bad boy. But like I said, man, as y'all looking at right here, we riding around with the Bluetooth. As you can see, big juice box, you know what I'm saying? Big juice box. And long story short, I fried my whole damn screen. My receiver's fried. I think my screen is fried, and I just bought this, bro. If y'all know before, this is a police Charger. This is a 2014 Pursuit. You know what I'm saying? It was an old police car, and it had the little small screen in there at first. So like I said, I put the 8.4 in there and everything. I bought the whole new screen. Everything was working smooth. What happened was I'm over here, my dumb ass, trying to install some speakers. For what reason? I don't know why. I bought them for $50, 2 12s. I was like, why not try to hook it up for $50 on shit? You know what I'm saying? Long story short, fried my whole screen. My whole screen went from English to German. You know what I'm saying? So I'm in the mix of that right now. Luckily, it's summertime, and all I gotta do is pull the fuse out to keep the damn heat rolling, or put it back in to keep the heat going. So that's a plus. But like I was saying, man, I ain't been motivated for real to drop no vids. You know what I'm saying? I hang around people a little bit that do cars, but it's hard to goddamn come up with some ideas. So like, I'm gonna take my boy TJ Stay 1K advice. Shout out to my young boy. Man, just go drop some POVs, man. Drive around, drop some POVs, dog. Nobody else trying to make content with you, man. Go make your own damn content. So that's what we doing, man. Feel me? Oh my gosh, bro. It's always something happening right here. Bro, this is the second accident this week, bro, that happened right here, bro. What the hell? No, these boys can't drive. And it's always this spot. That's the crazy part. I don't know if y'all can see that. What? As you see, we got the shift column. Come on now. Come on now. But I'm gonna try to find me a little empty lot or somewhere so I could get out, show y'all boys the car. Cause I know that's what y'all been waiting on. I know that's what y'all been waiting on. Finally get y'all a little pool. Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. Can't go wrong with a V8, baby. So much traffic, bro. Damn undercovers everywhere. Bro, let me try to find y'all a little lot I can pull over in real quick so I can dive more in depth into the car, man, and get back to the POV once I get some less traffic. But there's nothing but traffic around here. So I'll tap y'all back in a second. I think I'm gonna have some open lane for y'all real quick. Let me try. Try to find one of these little warehouses that ain't occupied right now. Oops. Slide that back up. Everybody at work right now. I'm forgetting it's Friday. Do a little 40 roller. Find y'all a spot real quick. Give me a second. Alright, gang, I found me a little spot. It's the moment of truth. What everybody been waiting on. Here's my baby. She looking different, huh? I know. She looking different since the last time y'all done seen her. She looking different since the last time y'all done seen her. Okay then. New front piece, new straight A front end. I got the splitter. Splitter fell off doing dumb shit. Made a U-turn, ran over the whole splitter. I kept going because I thought I broke it off. Let me show y'all real quick before I get back to what's all done. Got it in the back seat. Whole damn thing ripped off, man. Shit. But I ain't tripping. New hood, new front grille, new front bumper. Headlights is on the way. Springs, 2 in the front, 2 inches in the front, 2.1 inches in the back. And I've been wrapping it. I've been wrapping it myself, so it's a slow process, and I need to order some new wrap. So that's why it's not finished yet. I sanded the back end now, just to get all that old clear coat off that was chipping away from that police car because it's been sitting outside before I even did it. Had a spoiler on here too. Took it off. Tried to paint it. Messed up the paint while it was drying. So sick, bro, because that shit would've looked so hard. Long story short, we getting back to it, man. YouTube logo in the front. Go out, shot it. In my car, certified street family. Y'all boys tap in. Tap in. But here she is, man. Been a long project. Been a long time coming. I know, like I said, last year, really wasn't motivated to drop no videos or nothing, bro. But like I said, I need to figure out this too. But last year I wasn't really motivated, but this year is a whole new year and we getting to it. So anything y'all want to see me do with this car, let me know. Comment it down below. Let me know what you want to see, bro. Cause I really want to build it up, build the 5.7 up, cam, put the blower on there, the whole 9 yards, do the whole bottom end of the goddamn block or whatnot. But I don't know what route I want to go. I either want to put a cat in there or I want to put a scatter in there. Nah.
Okay.
I don't even know what bro said, but goddamn, boy. Feel me? Like I said, I don't know what way I want to go yet with this build, bro. I don't know if I want to put a scat swap it or cat swap it along. At the end of the day, I want to put a cat in here. That's the goal. I want to put a cat in here, bro. That's my goal. I want to hear that. I want to hear that motherfucker, man. Ain't nothing like no cat. Come on, now. But yeah, bro. Like I said, bro, last year it was a drought. This year we starting off fresh, bro. So this the build. Y'all boys like, comment, subscribe, man. Cause this year we full throttle. Like I said, I got my car group now, so I got some folks that's ready to goddamn make some videos. And if they not trying to make no videos, Guap back on his solo mission. So I ain't tripping. Either way it go, it's gonna pay out in the end. So like I said, man, whatever y'all want to see done to the whip, give me some ideas. I need to change the brakes. I want to go do a whole brake swap. I don't even want the 6 piston. I want 4 pistons. 6 pistons, they cost too much. I don't even really trip about them. They look better, but I'd rather keep the 4s. Less money I gotta spend out of my pocket. And it's only a 5.7. I ain't got no damn cat in here, so I don't really need no 6 pistons anyway. But I'll get y'all some little B-roll footage, throw up in here real quick. And like I said, man, I'm out. Guap signing out, man. Y'all boys like, comment, subscribe. Comment what you want to see done, man. I'm back, and I'm back dropping videos. I don't know what schedule I'm going to have with them. I don't know if I'm one video every week or what, blah, blah, blah. I'm going to try to get one out one every week for y'all, though. But if I can't do that, please bear with me, bro, because I'm trying. I'm trying. So, yeah, man. Like I said, y'all boys like, comment, subscribe. I'm gone.